I know this is supposed to be one of those soft, quiet, aesthetically pleasing type of voiceovers, but it's not. If you want to see me get in the shower and get all clean and see this routine, yeah, stay tuned. Hey you guys, so this will be everything that I'm using in the shower, you know, something slight, a little something, but yeah, here we go. So first and foremost, I like, whoa, why does it look like I have a big bald spot in my head? What the fuck? Anyways, first and foremost, I like to wash my hair. Yes, shampoo aesthetic. I love to wash my hair first because I don't know, something about the shampoo and like hair products dripping on my clean body bothers me. So if I wash my hair and then get it out the way, don't have to worry about it, right? I use my handy dandy little towel makeshift hair towel thingy. I don't know. But this comes in handy. Buy you a couple, okay? Buy you a couple. Next stop, washing my body. So I go in with the Dove Deep Moisture. The only two soaps I honestly let touch my body is Dove Deep Moisture and or the Sensitive from Dove, because I am very sensitive down there in my little lady parts, and literally anything that gets close to it, I freak out, and yeah, I don't need all that. So Deep Moisture and Sensitive, the only thing that's touched my body, and it makes my body feel so luscious, y'all. I freaking love it. Oh my gosh, I dropped the loofah. Oh, I picked it up. But yeah, those are the only two things I love to touch my body. It's amazing, y'all. Get at it if you haven't. And yeah, look at my leg. Ooh, ooh. Next, I go in with, okay, I know this says that it's from Shea Moisture, but that's actually a mixture that I make in the kitchen. I just use things that I already have. So oh, I'm like, what you about to say? I go and exfoliate my body with, it's sugar and coconut oil mixed. If you want to see how I make that, definitely go check my other video out. I have videos on that, but yeah, go in and just exfoliate my whole body, get all the dead skin and excess dirt that I probably didn't get with the soap, and just everything off of my body. Just wash it off. Wash it off, wash it off, wash it off. Preparing my body for a clean shave. Yeah. I usually like to wax, but yeah, we not doing that right now. We trying to, you know, save as much coins as we can. So when I become a rich, well, I'm already rich, bitch, speak it. But when I become a richer female, definitely will be full body shaving. But anyway, so now we are on to, I said full body shaving, full body waxing. Now we're on to shaving. I use the cheapest thing that I found in in Dollar Tree, the Pure Silk. I put it all over on my legs as well as my underarms. And yeah, I get to shaving, y'all. I get to shaving. Look at my chicken legs. Please don't talk about my chicken legs, y'all. Like, please do not talk about my chicken legs. Like, they didn't do nothing to you. They didn't do nothing to me either. Except for just, I don't know, y'all. My legs really are insecurity of mine. So, yeah, be nice, y'all. Be nice. But, yeah, we're going in shaving. I got that razor from Dollar Tree. So, yeah, I'm going to use it. But I just go in, shave my underarms. I really need to take more care of my body when shaving, and that's what I'm actually starting to do now. So this routine is actually showing you guys what to do, because I used to just literally just put the razor on there and just go. But that was not healthy for my skin at all. So definitely I'm taking my time now and actually getting up in there, like not rushing and not shaving at the last second when I have somewhere to be. So I'm learning how to really prioritize my time and shave when needed. But yeah, here I go. Here I go. Go, go, go. Okay, get them underarms, girl. Get all that excessive shower, what is it called, shave gel. Why am I, y'all, I don't know what's going on right now. This is horrible. But get that shave gel off of you. Ooh, look at that arch. Ooh, sexy. Now onto what I use out of the shower. So everything you see right here is what I'm doing out of the shower. First and foremost, I go in with the aloe vera gel, because after you shave, stuff be irritated. Make sure you get some that is not, make sure you get the one that's alcohol free. I do not know what's going on, y'all. Bear with me. But yeah, I go in all my areas where I shaved, under my arms, my legs, and yeah, just get up in there and just make sure that all the irritation is down. I really didn't have that much irritation today, but yeah. Now I'm going in on my legs. Definitely my legs. I don't know. After shaving, my legs really be sad. I don't know why, but yeah. So I definitely need that. Now for my homemade shea butter. If you want a video on how I made my shea butter from home, yeah, definitely let me know in the comments, because I will be happy to give you guys a tutorial. It's actually 3 easy ingredients. And yeah, it works and it's cheap. So get you some shea butter and make it at home. Okay. But yeah, look at these legs. Ooh, sexy. Right now they don't really look that much chicken. Or is it just me? If it look like a chicken leg, y'all can tell me. I promise y'all can tell me. But okay, on to my nail prep. So I cut all my nails down, making sure that they're just not looking crazy, especially depending on what press-ons that I want to put on that day. Because if you know, when you like do like clear nails and the nails up under it be looking like that's so disgusting to me. So yeah, prep your nails, everything. Just prep yourself, y'all. Like, health is wealth, okay? And maintaining yourself just makes you feel pretty and makes your body just, you take care of your body will take care of you. Isn't that right? It is, right? But yeah, I am so sorry for this jacked up voice. I was gonna say voice message. See, I'm still messing up. Voice over. Like, I do not know what's going on right now. Like, I'm talking, but it's just not working. But anyways, okay, going in with my calcium. Going in with my calcium. Put down all the nails. They don't have to be pretty because they don't see it. Nobody sees it. You can barely see it. It just goes on your nail and it protects it. I think calcium is for strength, if I want to know. Yeah, calcium is for strength of the nail. And honestly, ever since I've been using this calcium and the next one, I think it's hardener, my nails have been very, very like tough. I used to have them flimsy nails that couldn't do nothing. But now my nails are really, really tough. And no lie, using the press-ons have been making my nails tougher too. So I don't know if that means anything, but it's worked for me. So hey, if you have loose, weak, flimsy nails, I don't know why I said loose, but if you have weak, flimsy nails, definitely try this because it does help. And press-ons are the way to go because they don't damage my nails. I get glue that is for nails, so yes, it works. Now onto my feet. I'm first and foremost taking off the polish. When that's all done, I go in with my nail clippers. You guys, my nails grow, well, my toenails, let's start there. My toenails grow very, 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 very fast. Don't know why. I literally have to clip them probably every week. That's a lot. But yeah, clip them nails. Clip them nails. Can y'all hear the bed squeaking? Oh my gosh, I started twerking. Oh, I'm hilarious. But anyways, okay. How long does it take you to clip some nails, girl? Dang. Now I see what they mean by like get it together and like cut the video short, because like dang, like I should be done. But now we're going in with the same things that I went in on. The same things that I put on my nails. I want the same health for both of them, of course. So I go in with the calcium and the hardener on my toes. Yes, yes. I have some pretty toes, y'all. And now we're done. So now I'm going in and spraying myself with perfume. Yes, I like my body to smell good and my clothes. I don't know. But now time for y'all probably was like, girl, are you gonna brush your teeth? Yes, I'm gonna brush my teeth, okay? Like right before I wash my face, I brush my teeth because I don't know. It just works for me. I'm brushing my teeth with I brush very hard, y'all. Like if there was sound on here, y'all be like, dang, like you okay? I don't know why I brush hard. And I don't think you're supposed to brush hard, but I do. So yeah. I'm brushing my teeth and my tongue and my mouth and my everything. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your goddamn. Y'all remember that song? Like read a book, read a book. Wait, no, I'm saying it wrong. Read a book, read a book, read a... I don't matter, okay, whatever. Now I'm going in with my face wash. Even though it looks like I don't wash my face. This acne, y'all. My face looks horrible. I broke out right before my birthday, y'all. Like, yep, it's me. Regular Shauna with the acne. But yeah, so wash my face with the Aveeno. It actually works very well, even though my face doesn't show it. But yeah, y'all get y'all some Aveeno. Get y'all some Aveeno. Y'all will love it. It just feels, I don't know, it feels like you're not washing your face, but you are. Like, I can't explain it. I can't explain it. I can't. I'm just like, now I'm going in with the serum. I barely have any in there. Shauna, you just struggling, man. But it's okay. You might be struggling, but you aren't struggle, okay? You are amazing. You are beautiful. You are powerful, my queen, okay? You are everything in a bag of chips. But now we going in moisturizing those crusty lips, because I know y'all been talking about me throughout the whole video, and that's okay, because whatever. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe.